Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Shout out to S&Ds on Instagram for my earrings. Okay, it's my IPSY unboxing. Yay. Okay, they send a little cushion bag and then they send you a cute bag on the inside. Very cute. This is so reusable and I'm so keeping this. Some of the bags I give away, the containers full of stuff, but this one I'm keeping. This is so cute. Ooh. The Ofra, this is Ofra lip gloss in truffle. Oh, that's so pretty. If I didn't have pink on right now. Oh, wow. It smells good. Oh, it smells good. It smells like icing or something. It smells good. That's going to be really pretty. It's got little gold flecks in it. That's going to be really pretty. Okay. Next, saw it in the bag. Context, vitamin C all day eye cream. Oh, cool. Love a good eye cream. I just actually started on my Sephora one that I bought. I thought I was using the eye cream for like, I don't know, weeks. And then I looked at this other little jar in there because, you know, I put it on without my glasses on. And I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's the eye cream. What is this? Don't even, hey, whatever. But it's still really full. Avant hydrolyzed collagen, lecithin, erythritol, retinol, ribonucleic age radiance. Okay. Wow. Okay. Collagen intense radiance activator serum. So many letters. It's like reading an eye chart. I'm so glad I wore my glasses. Okay, because my IPSY box are catered to skincare and less makeup because I don't wear that much makeup, and so that's why I'm getting a lot of skincare stuff, which I appreciate. This is their information tab or pamphlet. 1 a day water mask, hydrating for your skin. Coconut water, coconut rose water, eucalyptus sheet. Oh, hello, organic. Oh my god! And it's a 2-pack. There's 2, there's 3. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Well, I've got to open this. Hold on. There's, how many are in here? Let me throw this away. I don't want my trash flying all over the place. Okay. What? Oh, I love this. There are 3 masks, and they're all different, I think. Yes. This is 1 a day fruits mask, brightening. This is lime. Ingredients, peach and lime on a eucalyptus sheet. This is pore refining, Adlai black bean on a eucalyptus sheet. Oh my god! And the first one I read was the hydrating coconut and rose water. Oh, wow. That is so, I love a sheet mask, okay? Because you can put on a sheet mask and watch a TV show on Netflix or Amazon Prime. And on the back, it does have instructions in English and Chinese and Mandarin, I think. I don't know. Ooh, I'm so excited about that. Last thing in the bag. Oh, this is nice. Oh, what is this? The Larousse. Hold on. Wait. Vegan, cruelty-free, hyperallergenic, synthetic. Are these brushes? Because I did say I wanted brushes. I've had my brushes for a long time, and so I'm slowly revamping all of them through IPSY. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay. Wow. They're like a charcoal color. I feel like something's on me. They're like a charcoal color. And then the case. This is nice packaging. Okay, IPSY. This is an angle contour brush. Textured handle. Charcoal colored bristles. Oh, wow. If I wore makeup, these would be so helpful. But when I do decide to go out and do makeup, having good quality brushes is essential. Oh my gosh. So this is a Kabuki LR, and they do have number labels. LR005 tapered blending. When I do my eyeshadow, this is a shadow brush, and this is probably a foundation, flat foundation. Yes. There's one little stray hair. I can probably, oh, there we go. So soft. This one is like more for stippling and harder blending. So it's not as soft on the tip, but these are all really soft. Oh my god. I am so excited. Can you tell? I haven't slept yet either, but that has nothing to do with the fact that these are so gorgeous. I've gotten 3 or 4 gift brush sets from IPSY. I have not been disappointed. I can't tell you that I'd use them all because I don't wear makeup that much, but they're so pretty. I'm actually was going to throw away all my old brushes, like a lot of them, and just reset my brush holder with my new IPSY brushes. So I'm pretty sure that's what's going to be happening this weekend. Pretty doggone sure. So that's it. That's it. That is so worth it. Oh my god. I just dropped it on the floor. Which I always clean these brushes before I use them, but these are so pretty. I am so excited. And this lip gloss, I'm probably going to wear later today. Thank you so much, IPSY. Okay, that's it. That's my unboxing. Look at that. It's even a short video. Dad. I am so excited about everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. IPSY is a monthly subscription box, and you can cater it to what kind of things you like. They've sent me 2 polishes. I have one on my toes right now. I had one on my hands. I took it off. The polishes are really nice. The colors are great. And so I catered it toward where I get polishes and skincare products and lip glosses and stuff and mascaras, I think. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It's monthly. I get the IPSY Plus Glam Bag Plus, which is I think $25, and you get full size items, and then you get a bunch of brushes, and you get full size stuff instead of a bunch of little samples, which I want to use something a little bit longer to make sure it works for me. So this activator serum, we'll see how that goes. I'm really happy with my skincare, but I always like to try new things and then gift them out if I feel like it's not going to be for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy this outside. It is gorgeous outside. It's a little after, it's almost 11, and it's probably like 80 something. But yeah, it's a great day. I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta go. Take care. Have a blessed week. Peace.